Everyone and welcome to Sira Academy. Today I want to introduce you to the book Le Nouveau Taxi, which we use for learning French at beginner level. As you may see, this book is designed for students who are starting French from zero. Its main goal is to help you understand and speak French in a real life situation. What I really like about Le Nouveau Taxi A1 is that it does not start with heavy grammar. Instead, it starts with simple dialogues, everyday vocabulary, and situation you can actually use. As you may see here, basic French vocabulary, simple grammar explained step by step, listening and speaking through dialogues, correct pronunciation, everyday French expression. As you may see here, we have the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now you can pronounce your name and last name. Vous pouvez appeler. It's like asking someone, can you spell it? So, actually, my name is Hilbert, and I learned or I teach French with this book since 5 years. And I know that this is used in daily situation like travel, meeting people, basic conversations. So, as you may see here, we have some lesson like short and clear dialogues. Each lesson so includes also listening activities and simple explanations. This helps you if you read it and you listen it. This helps you build confidence step by step without being or feeling overwhelmed. So, as you may see, qui est? C'est allô, allô, il est italien. Oui, elle, c'est Nicole, elle est française. So at Sira Academy, we just don't follow the book. We use it to gather extra speaking practice like clear explanations. And also our goal is not only to finish the book, but to help really understand French and to use it with confidence. As you may see here, we have a comparison between older books. Hmm. I think Alter Ego it has heavy grammar at the beginning and memorizing like long word lists, pressure to be perfect. If you want to start learning with me, and if you're a beginner, so I can teach you in a practical and effective way with Le Nouveau Taxi one. It's a very good choice. So we will go through this book step by step. So at the end, you will understand like this kind of lessons. So this is the last lesson of the book. Thank you for